Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Honor 200 Pro comes with 3.5mm headphone adapter. You can see my Honor 200 Pro box, and let's lift the lid. Okay, let's put it aside. And here is our phone. Let's take it out for now. Let's take the tray on which the phone lays out also. And this is a box with accessories. There's nothing more in there. Let's focus on this box. This is a SIM tray opener. Let's take out all of the things from the box. You can see there's nothing more. And let's see what's in there. There's a quick start guide, information about protecting the device from the miners, and a warranty card. This is a USB-C on both ends cable, and there's no 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.